Okay, so here's our switch, so we're just gonna pop it out. We're gonna have to take our pliers and get it out. There it goes. Okay, so now, let's see, let's plug it on the other end. And this goes out is the question. Yes, success. Okay, so here is our cable, and there's I think that's like a tricolor LED right there, so that's why there's so many pins. And okay, so this one turned out to be a little tricky, but basically what you have to do, and the colors on your wires may be a little bit different, but if you look at the top of the plug, you'll see that there's one connection that's not used. So basically, if I then flip it over, and I'll put a better diagram on the site, but basically the trick is I have to basically connect this orange and red wire together on one end of the momentary switch, and then on the other end of the momentary switch is our black, which I assume is our ground. Then everything works. If I just do the black with yellow or the red alone, it will actually work, but then the Dell gives you this power cable error and you can't continue, so which doesn't help, unfortunately. So that was the trick. In case everyone gets stuck on that, hopefully that helps. So now that we've got our new cable made, let's go ahead and plug this back in, and let's snap on this case as well. So this cable we are just going to plug in the way it was before. So I came across this little device. It's called a digital data logger. Basically, it's a relay. And if it senses power here, low voltage DC power, then it's going to flip the switch. And what's really nice about this is that because for this project, I didn't want to have one power for the PC and another power to turn off the LED marquee. I wanted to just turn it, very simple, turn it on and off, turns everything on, turns everything off. And, with the PC, of course, we don't want to just hook that up to a normal switch, because when the PC is on and you turn it off, it doesn't shut down gracefully. So we want to hook up the PC to a normal momentary switch, just like it already has. And when the PC turns on, then we want to flip the relay and turn everything else on, right? So how are we going to do that? So this device has one use case here is basically we can, just made a little custom cable here. This is just a USB cable, and I'm just taking 5 volts in the ground. And so basically, when a PC turns on, power is supplied to the USB port. And so we can use that to flip our relay. So as an example, I'm going to just plug this in here, and the minute I plug it in, it's going to turn on the switch. You heard that little click. So let's unplug it from here. Okay, switch is off. Switch is on. So PC turns on, flips the relay, we turn on everything. PC turns off, everything else turns off. So that's exactly what we want to get done. So perfect, really nice application for what we're trying to do. I think these are like 20 bucks, something like that. I'll add a link to it.